welcomes you to the YouTube channel of NSS MSI. Today, as the whole nation is celebrating the 75th Independence Day, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, so we, the team of NSS MSI, are here to share some unique facts about our nation, India. So starting with some amazing facts about the lifeline of our country, the Indian Railways. The number of people travelling in the Indian Railways every day is equal to the population of Australia, connecting more than 7,172 stations. The Indian Railways is the largest rail network in Asia, carrying over 23 million passengers daily in 12,617 trains. India's only and world's first hospital train is presently stationed at Badalpur station in Assam, serving patients free of cost. Living true to its name, the Lifeline Express, also known as the Jeevan Rekha Express, is the world's first hospital train, taking its services ranging from surgeries to cancer treatments to remote villages of India.
जय हिंद दोस्तों, क्या आप जानते हैं इंडिया में एक ऐसा आइलैंड है जो 55,000 सालों से आइसोलेटेड है। उसका नाम है नॉर्थ सेंटिनल आइलैंड। इसका एरिया 60 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर है और ये एक द्वीप है जो कि अंडमान एंड निकोबार द्वीप समूह में स्थित है। यहाँ रहने वाले लोग सेंटिनलीज ट्राइब को बिलोंग करते हैं एंड ये एक अनप्रोटेक्टेड ट्राइब है। ये बाहर की दुनिया के साथ कम्युनिकेट ही नहीं करना चाहती। जब भी हमने इनके साथ कम्युनिकेट करने की कोशिश की है तो रिस्पॉन्स में वायलेंस ही मिला है। इसी कारण हम इनकी भाषा एंड लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में कुछ नहीं जानते। मोस्ट रिसेंटली साल 2018 में एक अमेरिकन मिशनरी इस आइलैंड पर इलीगली गया था। उसे इस ट्राइब के लोगों ने मार डाला। साल 2004 में भी जब सुनामी आई थी तब इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने हेल्प के लिए वहाँ पे फूड पैकेट ड्रॉप किए थे, लेकिन जैसे ही इस एक मेंबर ने देखा तो उसने हेलीकॉप्टर पे तीर छोड़ने स्टार्ट कर दिए और एग्रेसिव हो गए। इनकी पॉपुलेशन अगर देखी जाए तो मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड इनकी पॉपुलेशन 80 से 150 के बीच है। उत्तराखंड के चमोली में 16,470 फीट ऊपर रूपकुंड लेक में मानव कंकाल दिखाई देते हैं। ये ज़्यादातर समय तो स्नो से कवर रहती है, पर गर्मी में जब स्नो पिघलती है तो बहुत सारे मानव कंकाल दिखाई देते हैं। इसे होम ऑफ ए मिस्टीरियस स्केलेटन लेक भी कहते हैं। सबसे पहले एक ब्रिटिश फॉरेस्ट रेंजर ने इसके बारे में पता किया था। ये मानव कंकाल कहाँ से आए इसके बारे में तो कुछ आइडिया नहीं, लेकिन कार्बन डेटिंग से पता चलता है कि 1200 साल पुराने तक भी मानव कंकाल यहाँ पे पाए गए हैं। लोकल्स का मानना है कि बहुत साल पहले कनौज के राजा व उनकी वाइफ को सर्वेंट के साथ नर्मदा नदी पर तीर्थ के लिए गए थे और तूफान के कारण मारे गए। हो सकता है ये सब कंकाल उन्हीं के।
Today I am going to share two unique facts about India. Fact number 1. The world's highest motorable road, Umlingla Pass, is located in India. It is even higher than the Mount Everest base camp. It has an altitude of 19,024 feet or 5,798 meters. Fact number 2. The construction of the Atal Tunnel connecting Manali with Leh, which is the world's longest highway tunnel above 10,000 feet, has been completed in 10 years. The horseshoe-shaped, single-tube, double-lane tunnel has many firsts. It is also the country's first tunnel to have an escape tunnel within the main tunnel because of the topography. This is also the first tunnel to deploy raw flyer technology, which allows engineers to work at inverted levels.
Measuring 600 feet, 182 meter in the height. Currently, Statue of Unity, which is located in Gujarat, is the tallest statue in the world. The second fact, that is Bandra Valley ceilings, which is located in Mumbai, has steel wires which is equals to the total circumference of the earth. This is the fact about the India which many Indians don't know. Did you know each cable of ceiling has ability to hold 900 tons of weight? The entire establishment weight is equivalent to the 50,000 elephants of Africa.
I want to tell you two architectural facts about India. Gol Gumbaz, which translates to circular dome, was built in 1656 and is a mausoleum of Sultan Adil Shah, who once ruled the city of Bijapur. The architect was Yaqut from Maharashtra, and the imposing building has all the hallmarks of classic Islamic architecture: the hallways, the door marks, and the intricate carvings. The highlight though is the dome, which is of 44 meters in diameter and is the second largest dome in the world, apart from St. Peter's Basilica in Vatican. It stands on its own without the support of pillars in an area spanning over 1700 square meters.
Since we all know India is a country of culture and temples, and here are some unique facts about that. Rajasthan has a temple of rats. Yes, you heard me right, a temple of rats. Karni Mata Mandir is famous all over India for having about 20,000 black rats living inside the temple. Those are considered holy and are called Kabbas. The Kumbh Mela is visible from space. Shocking? I know, right? The Kumbh Mela is an important festival and pilgrimage site and the largest gathering on earth. While a celebration takes place each year, there is festival of greater significance at 4-year and 12-year intervals. The number of people attending this festival is so large that the crowd is visible from the satellite photos taken from the space.
Fact number 1. Did you know Freddie Mercury and Ben Kingsley are both of Indian descent? Freddie Mercury, the legendary singer of the rock band Queen, was born of Parsi descent with the name of Farrukh Bulsara, while the Oscar-winning actor Ben Kingsley, who also starred in the movie Gandhi, was born with the name of Krishna Pandit Bani. Fact number 2. Havells is purely an Indian brand and named after its first owner, even though it was just bought for 10 lakh rupees a long time ago and is now a multi-billion electrical goods company. It's an Indian company and named after its first owner, Haveli Ram Gupta.
Now moving on to the mathematical facts. Algebra, trigonometry and calculus of mathematics was originated in India. Quadratic equations were also used by Sridharacharya in the 11th century. Brahmagupta was the scholar who first calculated the value of pi. He was a mathematician as well as an astronomer from India. Brahma's Putta Siddhanta and Khandya Khadyaka are two mathematics and astronomy books authored by him. These were his early works. He was also the first person who gave the rules of calculating with zero. Also, the popular game of snakes and ladders was originated in India. It was created to teach morals and lessons about karma in a way that young children would understand and remember.
Thousands of languages are spoken all over India. There are 22 officially recognized languages, with Hindi and English being the official language of our country. However, there are many other languages such as Tamil, Telugu, Urdu, Bengali, Punjabi. Hindi is the fourth most spoken language in the world. There are as many as 19,500 other languages also known in India.
Now, some amazing facts about the state activities in India. In the Gir forest of Gujarat, there is a lone voter where a polling booth is set up especially for him. It was set up for one person named Mahant Bharatdas Babu. In the state of Chhattisgarh, Coke and Pepsi are used as pesticides. In one of the world's largest rice producing areas, farmers began to spray their fields with Coke and Pepsi since it was cheaper than traditional pesticides. Lastly, I would like to thank each one of you for watching the video till end. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
In 1981, India launched a satellite that was transported on an ox cart with the rocket parts carried on the back of the bicycle. This shows how hardworking and committed we Indians are.